Let me tell you about a desk that comes at an affordable price, built with quality materials, and the only thing you need to do to set it up is this tool. I received this Bexevue L-shaped computer desk, which comes in at $99 on Amazon. It was time to upgrade my son's gaming area with an actual desk he could utilize. The box for the desk arrived in good condition, and I couldn't wait to open it and see what's inside. As you can see, everything comes well packaged and protected in the box. The corners of the tabletop are protected with plastic sleeves, and the rest of the materials are tucked away nice with styrofoam. Once I laid out all the pieces, you can kind of gauge how everything comes together. I'll also put up pages of the manual as I build, so you can pause and read if you are stuck on a step. Alright, so we're starting off with step number 1, and everything is accurately labeled and clear to read. All these parts, they give you all the screws. Their tool gives you an Allen key and a Phillips head screwdriver, which is really nice. You've got everything you need right off the bat. So we are going to start assembling. So the next part is just putting these little feet on the bottom. Just screw those in. Go in nice and easy. Go. Ready. So step number 2. I'm just gonna get these boards in. Just get one started here. Go. End of step 2. Okay, step number 3. We're just putting this guy on here. Again, everything is labeled really well. These directions are awesome. We're cruising along with this build. Alright, this is step number 5. You're just going to take these little pegs, and we're just going to stick them in the holes here, and then they just slide in and match up with these guys. It slides right in. And just like that, with easy to follow instructions, this desk is built. This modern and sleek desk is designed with convenience in mind, featuring built-in charging options to keep all your devices powered up. It combines functionality with a clean design for a clutter-free workspace. It offers incredible value with an unbeatable $100 price point. With a sturdy metal frame that is still lightweight, with its solid and stable desktop, which provides a workspace that is built to last. Whether you're working, studying, or gaming, this desk delivers both style and functionality, without breaking the bank. We took my son's gaming area from basic to epic. This desk is perfect for students or gamers looking to have something lightweight and doesn't take up space. Being affordable with high quality materials, we highly recommend you check this desk out. Thank you for watching this unboxing and build and review video of this desk. If you like the desk, I'll leave a link in the description. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Buy the desk. Until next time, we'll see you down the road.